Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel Universal Paji. In today's session, we will discuss one amazing Excel tutorial wherein we will learn how to squeeze or how to showcase your huge data in a smaller portion. Whenever you are making any kind of dashboard or interactive dashboard, then you have a very limited space available to you. And if you want to showcase huge amount of data, then you need to use the trick that we will discuss today in this video. On your screen, you can see that I have the name listed here and their respective scores in the respective subjects mentioned in the columns here. So I have this database wherein I have around 100 students and I want to showcase this data in an interactive dashboard. So as you can see that if I want to see the scores, I have to scroll down, right? The another method, as we are discussing how to squeeze it, we can also make use of available smaller space to showcase the complete data. So this is an example that we will be learning today. As you can see that when I'm using this scroll bar that I have added, I can easily see complete data information of all the students in this single window. So Namaskar, Sat Shri Akal, Adab and hello friends. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Paji. Let's start today's topic. To squeeze this data or to showcase this data in a smaller portion, what I have done, I have used the new sheet where we will learn all the steps required. So what I will do, I will quickly copy and paste the heading here which is required. Okay, now what I'll do, I will remove the grid lines by going to view and then unticking the grid line. So you can see the sheet is clean now. So I will select the portion wherein I want to display the data. Okay, this is the portion where I want to display the data. Now to add a scroll bar, I have to click on developer, then click on insert arrow and click on scroll bar form control. Okay, so I have this plus sign as you can see, so I will draw the required scroll bar here. Okay, I can change the size like this. Alright, so if you guys do not have this developer option, I request you to please check my previous video regarding macros or learning macros, wherein we discuss how to add this developer option if it's unavailable. Okay, so now what I will do, I will select this scroll bar, right click to it and click on format control. Okay, here this one is very important. Change the current value to 1, minimum value to 1. This maximum value we will discuss how to decide it, we will discuss it later on. Incremental change, 1 is okay, page change 10 is okay. In this cell link section, what I will do, I will click here and then I will click anywhere on the sheet like this. Okay, I'll click on OK. So as you can see that the cell that I selected, I have a number available here, and when I am clicking on down arrow, the respective number is changing. That means that our scroll bar is working perfectly fine. Now what I will do, I will write in serial number is equal to and point it to the cell wherein the number is displayed. Okay, 1 is here, Now what I will do, I will use the formula is equal to this plus 1 to give the series or the serial number. I will select the last cell, select it till the second number, press Ctrl D shortcut, and once again if you want to know about shortcuts, you can again check my previous videos uploaded earlier wherein we discuss all these shortcuts in detail and also VLOOKUP and other important functions. Now as you can see that I have numbers available here from 1 till 13. If you remember, we talked about the maximum number, right? So I have here 100 total students available, so I will write 100 here. Okay, as you can see that I have total of 13 numbers here, so this can be 13, 14 as per your space, as per the requirement. Nothing to worry, I will write 13 here. What I need to do, I'll simply need to subtract this number from the above number and add 1 to it. Okay, this one is important. So once again I will click on this scroll bar, format control. Here this maximum number would be this number plus 1, that would be 88. I will show you why this one is very important. I click on OK. Now I can easily delete this because this one is not required. Now you can see that once I completely go down here, the maximum number is coming as 100 and this is the 88 number. Okay, and this is the maximum number this particular scroll bar can achieve, as you can see, so that we do not have any empty cell here while filling the data. Okay, now what I will do, I will simply use the VLOOKUP function that we discussed in our previous tutorial. So I will use VLOOKUP, start the bracket. I will select this one as I want to select the data from data sheet. I will select the serial number and select the complete data. So name is on second column, English score is in third column, mathematics score is in fourth column, science score in fifth column, and social studies were in sixth column, right? Again I will select the bottom row, select it, press Ctrl D, and it will copy paste the required formulas in all the cells out there. So let me beautify it, let me make it bold, make it color. Now you can see that we have the data available of 13 students in one look, and when I click on this scroll bar, see the name of the student is changing as well as their respective scores are populated from the data here. Like for example, for student 100 we have 60, 43, 50 and 94. Let us check if the number is coming correct. 60, 43, 50 and 94. So the accurate data is taken from the respective table. So you can also hide this if you want. You can change the text color to white. This particular number is gone. So you have just used this space and showcased or squeezed your complete huge data. So I hope you have liked this video, you learned a new thing, and I request you to please click on like button if you have enjoyed the video, and please do subscribe to our channel because it motivates us to bring more and more content like this or more and more tutorials like this for you guys. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, God bless you, bye bye.